we got Golden Century here, $50 bet, $2 denom. Got a nice $500 mini. Uh-oh, it better not be done here. Alright, that's good. The wife just hit the super on Huff and Even More Puff. $16,700. This will be a nice hand bag. Oh, a minor would be nice. Now we're done. Saw the 10,000.